How to see transactions in Google Wallet. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you want to see all of your transactions in Google Wallet, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open Google Wallet on a device. And here on top of your screen, you will see this option payment methods, so tap on it. And here you will find all the cards that you have added on Google Wallet. Now to see the payment method, simply tap on the card that you want to see off. And there you go, here you will find all the transactions made from this card. Similarly, if you have multiple cards, simply go back and select any card that you want to look after. And there you go, here you will find the transaction made from this different card. And if you tap on this view more transactions located on bottom of your screen, you can see the whole history of the transaction made. So this is how you can see transactions on Google Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.